up, everybody? It's Drew with Wasatch Peaks Productions. Today I'm going to show you a little bit of a trip that Devin and I had out to Eureka, Utah. We showed you some of the historical sites out there, like the jail and so forth, and it's really cool to see that these buildings from a very long time ago are still standing, and it gives you that sense of history. We had some fun. But at the end of this video, you'll see some drone footage. But first, I kind of want to explain what Eureka, Utah is. Eureka, Utah is an old mining town. They mined gold and silver, and in 1899, they were one of the top mineral producers for those. And it's really cool that if you live here in Utah County or even Salt Lake County or even Juab County, you're literally, an hour to an hour and a half away from this really rich history. There's a lot of people that still live out there, and it's just really peaceful. Where we headed down to is the general store. I have to apologize for the audio quality in this video. It was really windy up there, and we did not have a windsock on the camera, so it is a little bit windy. I did my best to kind of turn it up so you can hear me a little bit better, and yeah. So Devin's channel link will be down in the description if you want to go check him out. He does some hot sauces and a couple of vlogs as well, and some product reviews. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Alright, we are sitting here on Eureka Main Street, and we're going to head on down to the Taylor's General Store that is here in Eureka. Walk down Eureka Main Street right here. And right here is thing over the top of it. I believe they used to do tours, but I don't know whether or not they've been doing tours lately. So right straight across from us right now is they do tours, but I believe you have to schedule it. I don't know what they're doing due to COVID, but it's a pretty cool museum to go in. See what they did out here in Eureka. Eureka is a mining town here in Utah that is technically listed as a ghost town, but there is people that still live here. The old jail, 1896. Oh. So there's some mining supplies behind the mining museum. Right here is the old jail, which is kind of cool. Eureka City Jail. Obviously locked, but we can peek on in here and see what they have.
Hello? No one's home.
No one's home. What's kind of cool is you can see that there is a heater inside this. So they weren't bad to the prisoners, obviously. They wanted to keep them warm because up here it gets cold during the winter.
It's cold right now and the sun's out.
And the sun's out. Alright, so we're standing outside the old fire department for Eureka City, and it's the Eureka City Hall. And it's a Utah historical site. We kind of walk up over here and maybe show you the inside of it. But that's the old fire truck. And then obviously the sheriff's office. So the fire department and the sheriff's office is right next to each other.
All within the city hall. What you got there, Drew?
It's pickled eggs from the gas hole in Eureka. Basically what they do to make it to it's a pickled egg.
As he almost drops them.
It's a pickled egg, but what they do to make them red is they put them in the hot mamba sauce and let them sit, and they pickle them. And they're really good. Gives you a little bit of that spicy kick, but it also is.
I'm warning you now, if you release any cheek clappers, I'm going to be very upset.
Oh, you can count on it.
Getting out of the truck while I
can. Alright, so we're just right outside of Eureka, and we're gonna send the drone up and get some footage of the mountain range behind us and right over here. So obviously you have the rock cliffs that are going up into Eureka Canyon, and then you have the Wasatch Front that is out here with this really cool old railroad crossing that used to cross the road, and obviously the track is no longer active, so they don't use it anymore. But so we're gonna send the drone up and get some footage for you.
Heck
So
yeah.
I'll be right here.